With ballots in our hands we run, a nation's voice, united and strong. For change we vote where we belong. The maple leaf waves high and proud, in every province hear us loud. Together we rise a brighter day, with hope and courage lead the way.
This might be one of your first, if not your first, political rally.
When I was managing those crises in Canada and around the world, Gary mentioned I remembered that when I was helping others to work to build strong economies, and now I'm drawing on them to stand up and own strong, and to build the strongest economy in the G7 in the quantity. In this great war, just like in hockey and in soccer, we will win. Like many of you, hockey has played a big part in my life. I grew up with the values I learned on the ice, at the kitchen table, and in the classroom. My parents were teachers who stressed the importance of hard work, of supporting our community, and of caring for other people. My hockey coaches taught me